Signs are always there. Tuesday 23rd of August 2022. It's about 4:30. I did see one up there, that's what I was looking at earlier. Non-spraying at altitude. There we are, there's the money shot, look. Bloody things everywhere. Right up behind all this fake cloud. Fake as in artificial. Artificial as in created by stratospheric aerosol injections from aircraft. As we speak, one just come up through there. Never seen through that now. There's his trail, dead giveaway. He might come across here in a minute, but I very much doubt it. They just come to plug the gap. Same trails, you can see how rapidly these things expand, creating cloud in a very short space of time now. Still can't see the other bugger. It's probably that, there he is. Really hard to see him, but he's there. I'll keep the camera up there just for a minute while we walk along. Sometimes it's easy to see it after the event. There's actually, hold on a second, there's another heavier one going through there. There he is, look. The two of us intersected in there. Yes, excuse me while I'm walking along. I don't think we're going to see much more now. I can still see the trail is buried up in there, centre of the shot. He'll probably go through that blue bit in a minute, if we're lucky or unlucky. There he is, don't know if you just saw him, but I think we're going to get, he might get one through here in a minute. There he goes. That's the last sighting of him. But just look how quickly all that has closed up. We've got to get this word out to as many people as possible. People need to start writing to their MPs, councillors, everybody. Don't just let them sit back ignoring it. Keep at them. If enough of us do it, we can make a difference.